Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase everything on your HP laptop. Before you begin, always back up any important files you wish to keep, as this process will delete all data. Ensure your laptop is connected to a power source, as the process can take a significant amount of time. You can typically start by accessing the recovery options directly from your Windows settings, a crucial first step. Once in the recovery menu, select Reset this PC to start the process of wiping your data. You will then be prompted to choose an option. Select Remove Everything to ensure all personal files, apps, and settings are deleted. Next, you will need to decide how to reinstall Windows, either through a cloud download, which requires an internet connection, or a local reinstall, using files already on your system. After selecting to remove everything, you will face another important choice. Just remove my files or remove files and clean the drive. The Just Remove My Files option is much faster, often taking around 30 minutes to 1 hour, but it is less secure for sensitive data. Choosing Remove Files and Clean the Drive can take several hours, sometimes up to 4 hours, providing a more complete data erasure. Once you have made your selections, confirm your choices on the final screen and click Reset to begin the process. Your HP laptop will restart several times during the data wiping and operating system reinstallation. It is crucial not to interrupt your laptop during this entire process, ensuring a clean and complete erasure. Your HP laptop will then be ready for a fresh start, just like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.